Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the class of English. Myself Kamal Nath, and I am going to discuss today the rest of the questions of chapter 4 from understanding the text. This story, Patol Babu, film star, would have entertained you a lot, so I think, and it has inspired you, motivated you a lot about a person, his dedication, his confidence, and the belief in one's talent and potentiality. Satyajit Ray, who has written this story, short story in fact, himself was a great personality of the world. He was a great filmmaker, writer, director, illustrator, and even he was a great writer of the story, novels, short stories. Recipient of several great national and international awards by his name, he no doubt motivated the people. His life himself was a great example, a great motivation for the people. And so, the story that you have read about a character whose name in the story is Patol Babu, here the title is quite very suitable, very relevant, and given sincerely. It is not a mocking, it is not a mock, it is just a sincere title that is given to a true actor who deserved to be said an actor. So let us see in the third part, as the exercise is so long, a number of questions are there, and that is only here aimed to check your perception of the story, about a character of great human beings, and that's why it takes time. Doesn't matter how much time it takes. More important is to learn from them. How much we are learning from that one, that is here of greater importance. So let us see in the last part of the question answer, that is from understanding the text. Then you are getting in every chapter, almost many chapters, that is appreciating the text. So that checks your here individual perception, individual logical power, okay, and a study of human nature all around you, your presence of mind about the story, all that. So we have some questions from appreciating the text as well, and I am sure that you will be able to understand what part I am going to explain and discuss today. So let's see. I have to start from just B part, that is understanding the text, B part, and second question B. Earlier what was there that I had explained in the last one. Can you find more such examples of the crew's behavior? Very clear it is here, the line that was from the story, that is called extract reference. The true actor could make a mark with his one syllable. This is the statement, and I had mentioned in the earlier here previous video, just so I cannot mention again and again the same. You know, in second question B2 you will see the line in B, and that is the line, the true actor could make a mark with his one syllable. On basis of that statement you have here second question. Can you find more such examples of the crew's behavior that encouraged him? Yeah, Chanchal Kumar, one of the major characters of the film. You remember very well the role of Chanchal Kumar, who is also very important here character of the story. So Chanchal Kumar, one of the major characters of the film, appreciated Patol Babu's flawless acting performance and his sense of timing, which amazed him too. That character, whose role was no doubt lengthier in the film here, almost her whole film. He too appreciated Patol Babu's flawless acting, without interruption, without any confusion, without any bewilderness, flawless acting. That impressed him. He too was amazed about the timing, at what time that word and in which tone that was to be here spoken. It amazed him. Do you think the crew would behave differently if they knew Patol Babu's background? Let me tell you, crew members didn't know that Patol Babu had been a famous theatrical actor, and he had achieved a great appreciation in his acting in the theatre. They didn't know. They simply knew that he had been chosen for this very small role, according to his age only, as he suited for the role. The question is, do you think the crew would behave differently if they knew Patol Babu's background? And you know what his background was? Yes, I think the crew would behave differently if they knew Patol Babu's background, if they knew that he had been a very famous and appreciated character, appreciated artist, theatrical artist, who had gained and no doubt enjoyed great appreciation by the public, by the audience in his earlier life. No doubt they would have different opinion and they would have different behavior. They would have shown greater respect and care for Patol Babu. Although they appreciated his role, everything, timing, but the question here demands and seeks the opinion, if the crew members knew about the background of Patol Babu, would they have behaved indifferently? Yes. If they knew that he had been a great theatrical actor, dedicated actor, then certainly they would have given greater respect and greater care for Patol Babu. I am sure this would have opened all your concept clearly. Let us see next question. Look at the title of the text, means a story. What is the title of the story? Patol Babu, film star. Does this mean Patol Babu was a typical film star? No. Patol Babu was not like a typical film star. He valued his acting more than money. He didn't see what he was offered. He had no temptation for the money, for the fees. He valued his acting more than money. So he didn't receive his fees for his performance at the end. You know what happened at the last of the story. Without receiving, without waiting to get his fee, he left the place. And why? That you know. Let us see. Question. In what ways do you think Patol Babu was a star? This is the part of the earlier question only that I have discussed. In what ways do you think Patol Babu was a star? Patol Babu enacted his monosyllabic dialogue with the full dedication and perfection. The director and the other spectators' appreciation impressed Patol Babu and made him immensely satisfied. Whatever he had done, they appreciated, and that made Patol Babu immensely, very much satisfied. He considered their appraisal, means their appreciation, as his salary. The appraisal means the appreciation he got from the crew members, that he considered as his salary, and he left the place without taking any fees, even though he needed it greatly that time. He was in great need of money. He was struggling to maintain his livelihood. You know, this proves that Patol Babu was indeed a true star of his time. Next is here, do you think the tone of the title is mocking or sincere? I have already told you, Patol Babu was a true actor who did not avoid to perform his monosyllabic dialogue and worked with full dedication. You saw that he got a small role just to utter monosyllabic word, that was exclamation. Oh! Nobody would have accepted to play the role, so a small role. But he remembered his mentors here, just suggestion and remark about the role. And he was encouraged and he played that role with a full dedication. He had set an instinct for the other actors who reject their roles for being very small or low-paid characters. As the actors first see how lengthy is the role in the film or how much they are paid for the role. But Patol Babu didn't show that attitude, that instinct. A true actor always tries to improve his acting qualities and considers the spectator's appraisal as the God's gift. The true actor always thinks that the appreciation of the audience or spectators is the God's gift, great award, great salary. Thus, the title is appropriate and the tone of the title is completely sincere, not mocking. Now, these are the questions from appreciating the text. As I told you already here, there are a number of questions in the exercise and they are all to be discussed. Read these lines from the text. What do they tell you about Patol Babu's life and character? He was always in demand for amateur plays put up by the club in the neighborhood. His name had appeared on handbills on countless occasions. You have to tell about Patol Babu's life and characters on the basis of this statement. These lines in the story tells us about Patol Babu that he had been a dedicated and passionate character during his theatrical career and role. When he was acting in theatre and he was playing the role in theatre, he was dedicated and passionate actor. He was quite a famous actor, well appreciated by the audiences. His name appeared on the handbills that was distributed that time as just the advertisement for the public, so that they could come to know which show was going on and which were the actors. That was here distributed through handbills. So his acting was great attraction for the public. In the handbills his name was given, printed, and that was a great attraction for the spectators. Here, the next question that is here for you. Oh yes, I must say I was quite taken aback. You think I will be all right for that part? Patol Babu asked with great diffidence. You have to tell about his character and life. These lines were spoken by Patol Babu to his neighbor Nisikanto Babu when he was offered a role in the film. Nisikanto Babu came and informed him that his brother-in-law was making a film and he was willing to offer him the role to play as his age suited best. So Patol Babu asked to his friend Nisikanto Babu. He had given up acting almost 20 years ago. His life was changed now, completely changed. So when he was offered the role, he told this to Patol Babu to know the details of his role and film. He wanted to know about the details of his role and about the film. In fact, he wanted to know the opinion of Nisikanto Babu about himself, if he was suitable for the role or not. For that reason, he told these here words, these sentences to Nisikanto Babu. With these, every time I tell you, these are not the questions. There will be some more questions that I will take from the chapter from inside, and I will discuss, I will ask you. So I think today's video will certainly entertain you and quite satisfy you. You'll be able to understand everything what I have written the answer, and at the same time I have explained you well. So thank you, students. Thank you very much being with me. We will again just here discuss these things here in online class. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.